Porsche just got humiliated by a smartphone company. This isn't a phone, it's a weapon. Hello, everyone. For 75 years, Porsche has been the undisputed king of the track. But today, in 2026, the world has flipped upside down. Imagine spending $250,000 on the ultimate Porsche Taycan Turbo GT, only to have a car made by the people who built your vacuum cleaner pull up and leave you in a cloud of dust. We are talking about the Xiaomi SU7 Ultra. This is the underdog story of the century. Xiaomi didn't just build a car, they built a middle finger to the European establishment. But is it actually better, or is it just a massive tech flex? Let's talk numbers, because they are insane. The Porsche Taycan Turbo GT is a masterpiece. 1,019 horsepower and a 0-60 inches 2.1 seconds. It's a literal rocket ship host. But then there's the Ultra. Xiaomi packed this thing with 3 motors they call the HyperEngine V8s. It produces 1,548 horsepower. That is almost 500 more than the Porsche. Get this. The motors spin at 27,200 revolutions per minute. That is faster than a freaking jet turbine. It hits 60 miles per hour in 1.98 seconds. It's so fast, it actually makes your vision blurry. And the crazy part, while the Porsche costs nearly $250,000, the Xiaomi is hitting the market for less than half of that. But can it corner? Everyone said the Xiaomi would overheat or fly off the track. Well, they took it to the Nürburgring, the green hell. The Porsche Taycan Turbo GT set a legendary 7.7 lap, a record everyone thought was untouchable for a four-door. Then Xiaomi showed up. The SU7 Ultra production model clocked a 7.4. It didn't just beat Porsche, it broke their heart on their own home turf. Xiaomi used a battery from CATL that can discharge power faster than a lightning bolt, meaning it doesn't lose steam after one lap. It's relentless. So which one should you actually buy in 2026? If you want the soul, the heritage, and a car that feels like a surgical instrument, you buy the Porsche. It's the safe bet. But if you want to own the future, if you want to own the car that changed the world and redefined what speed means for a fraction of the price, you go with the Xiaomi. The crown has officially moved, but I want to hear from you. Would you trust a phone company with your life at 200 miles per hour, or are you sticking with the German legend? Drop a comment right now, Porsche or Xiaomi. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See ya.